Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, S.M.W. Outdoor Fishing Adventures. As you can see, I'm bundled up. May 26th today, and it's 5:45 in the morning. It is brutally cold. It was 30 degrees last night. We got a hard frost. It's hard to believe this point of the year it's like this. It's either been a little bit warmer, go with a little bit warmer, high winds. Now we're supposed to get a couple nicer days. Then we're supposed to get rain again and high winds. So, been grinding, and looks like the water's halfway decent. It's got to fight through the cold, and let's see what we can do today. We'll talk to you soon. I'll go through this setup right away. All ardent. I basically did a lot of shopping for rods and just resorted me back to ardent. What happens when you're on the pro staff, you gain points. So my price and plus your pro staff pricing, it's, I don't know why I just didn't look. This is 6'10", medium heavy, 2 inches shorter, so I don't think it's made too much of a difference. Same type of line. This is the Ardent Tournament Series, 6.5 to 1, and same with the grip and that type of thing. So that's that setup. Bait wise, I got a this is called a Cotton Cordell Neon Spot. It's a vintage lure. If you go back to my other videos, it'll kind of explain all about this. This is my bread and butter right here. If I'm not catching a fish on that, the fishes just aren't cooperating yet. I mean, I caught hundreds of fish on this lure. Not this lure, but that color and it's horrible. I can't get this this locator set. I'll have to I don't know. Oops. Not very big, but it's a fish. It's a fish. It's a fish. All right, here we got some pliers from Booms. This is actually sent to me too from Pro Tackle World. Thank you, little guy. All right. Well, it's better than nothing, people. Better than nothing. Better than nothing. Oh, it's cold. I'm just freezing. There's somebody coming in. Look up on it. Okay, people, here we go. See if we can get this to work. Excuse that cast. Ooh, I had a bite. I had a bite right there, people. Let's get back there. I had a bite. I don't know, my locator won't even shut down. I don't know what the deal is. Don't know. Ouch. Had a little nibble there, I felt like again. Could be panfish in here too, starting to spawn. I don't know. I don't know what they're trying to do. There we go. Can't see. A little nicer one. A little nicer one. Tip of the day, people. Fish, when you release them, believe it or not, their bellies, they're sensitive. You see so many people just tossing them, throwing them off bridges. They don't do anything to hurt you. Just release them fine, you know, just release them nice and easy, just like that. My tip of the day. Well, people, you didn't see me reel it in because of, didn't turn on the camera. We got another one here. All right, we need the booms here. He was hungry. Come on, little guy, I don't want you to hurt you. No, don't go down in the gills. No, buddy. There we go. Right, that's a beauty there, people. Probably 3.5, maybe. Getting closer to 4. Let's get him back in. Thank you, mister.
All right, everybody, I think I'm gonna call it a day here. 6 hours on the water, and my back is getting a little sore here. So I thought this year is going to be a rough one as far as my back, but so far so good. And again, I'd like to thank everybody for viewing. The 5 fish today was my limit, and started out not so good. It ended up pretty good. Got one really nice one. So yeah, like always, stay safe out there. Wear your life jacket. Practice catch and release, and take a kid fishing. Until next time, bye.